Hello dear viewers, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, the Milestone Academy. In this today's video, I'm gonna teach you simple interest. Let's learn what is simple interest. Simple interest is nothing but you can calculate it finding the percentage of amount, or you can say the percentage of principal, and multiplying the time or period of investment. That is the simple interest. Okay, and to find it out, we have a certain rules basically. So how we gonna find? Let's suppose the Maria has invested £100 in a bank and she's earning 4% of interest on her investment. At the end of 4 years, what amount that she will have in their bank account, right? So that is the question based on the simple interest. So let's do it basically. So what are the formulas over here? So simple interest formula, it's pretty easy. You can see it's equals to P times R times T, right? It's I equals to P times R times T. That is it. And we can calculate the investment amount like at the end of the period, so which is called the A, right? P plus and then P plus R plus T, which is the interest. So this is called the P, which is called the principal amount, okay, and rest you will get the simple interest. When you add these two values, so what you will get the total invested amount. So you will get equals to the amount, right? Okay, that's good. Where you can see over here, like what are the meaning of I? Basically, the I represents the simple interest here. A represents the final amount, whereas the P represents original amount, or you can also call it as the principal amount, right? Where R is the percent rate, or which is written as a decimal. If I write the 2%, which means 2 over 100, which is equals to 0.02, right? Which is in the decimal form. So whatever percent rate you have given, you just need to convert into the decimal. Okay, and the T represents the time period of the investment. So let's have a look some the practice questions. Okay, here we have a question over here. So James invests £200 for 1 year in a bank account. The account pays simple interest at a rate of 3% per year. Work out the total amount of money in the account at the end of the year. So how are we gonna find it out? First, calculate the I. So I is basically equals to PRT. Okay, so this is the P, right? Okay, this is the R, fine, and this is the T. So put the value. So which is P is what? 200 times R. You need to convert into the decimal, which is 0.03 times T. T is for 1 year. So when you multiply all together, what you will get? So this will be cancelled out. So we will get the £6, right? £6 is the interest. But what you need to find? You need to find the total amount, which means total amount is equals to principal plus PRT. Okay, so principal amount is £200 plus PRT is 6, which is £206 will be at the end of the year in his bank account. Got it? Okay, very good. Let's try another question. In this question, you can see that Caroline invested the £700 for 3 years at 2% per annual simple interest. Work out the total amount of interest Caroline earned. We just need to calculate only the interest. So let's just do it. Stand for I, which is equals to P is 700 times R, which is 2 like percentage, okay, times time. So when you simplify, what you will get 14 times 3, which is equals to how much? It's how much is that? £42. So this is the amount that she will earn. Got it? Okay, very good. Let's try the next question. 2,700 invested for 2 years at the 5% per year annually. Work out the total interest. Again, we have to calculate the interest, so which is I equals to P is 2700 times R, which is rate 5 over 100, right, times 2 year. So once I simplify, it is 7 times 10, right, which is 270 pounds. So this much interest, that will be the total interest. Okay, next question. Faith invests the 800 pounds for 3 years in a bank. The account pays simple interest like 0.4 years per year. Make sure that is per year. So what is the total interest that Faith got at the end of 3 years? So again, it's 3 years, so total interest. So again, I equals to P 800 times 0.4 divided by 100 times 3. Okay, so 8 times, what is that? When you simplify, you will get 1.2. okay, so when you multiply 9.6 pound, so that he will earn, the Faith will earn at the end of the 3 year. Okay, next question. The Nina invested the 1,500 for 4 years at the 2.5% interest per year. So we have to calculate the total amount of money. So let's do it. So first I get the I, which is equals to P times R 2.5 divided by 100, because it's percentage, times 4. Okay, so when I simplify, it's 15 times 2.5 times 4, so it's 15 times 10, so which is 150 pounds. So 115 pound is interest, but I need to calculate the A, which is amount. So P plus PRT, which is equals to 1500 plus 150. So when you add them together, 0,561 pound. So this amount will be in her bank at the end of the 4 years. So dear student, this is it for now. And if you want to learn the more complex topic, more complex concept of the simple interest, you should join my session. All the details are given in the link, so which is in the description. So please fill that form, join my session, get the excellence in the mathematics, and boom, that's it. Okay, waiting for your session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.